everyone and welcome to the class of geography. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That one is weather and climate. Okay, under which atmospheric temperature we are going to start. So let's see what are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. These topics are weather and climate. Okay, what is the difference between these two words, weather and climate? Exactly what is the definition of weather and what is the definition of climate? And what are the elements which are coming under this one? Okay, and how to measure the temperature and what is the instrument which is being used to measure the temperature, types of heating and the sun's radiation. Basically, we are getting the solar energy and the sun radiation we are going to deal in the detail. The heat budget and the global distribution of temperature we are going to know, and exactly the temperature zones, means climatic zones we are going to read. So these all are topics we are going to cover in this chapter. But today's topic, or we can say in this video, we are going to deal with the weather and climate. Okay, so the topic will be for this video, weather and climate. And now we are going to start with a simple question. Okay, it will be asked to you, and here in this video it is for me. How is the weather today at your place? If it is asked to me, so what will I give the answer? The answer will be simple. The weather is very soothing and it is a cloudy day, and if it is raining, so I can say it is a raining today, and sun is too bright in the sky, if sun is there in the sky. So this is the way we can give the answer. And this question, how is the weather today in your city or at your place, it is very obvious question. It will be asked in the interviews also, and this question or this statement is a general statement while we are conversing with strangers also. So what is the difference exactly between climate and weather? And what is, when we are telling about weather, what are the elements will be included under this one? Okay, so these things we are going to clear in this video. Actually, as these two words, climate, we can't say like this, the climate of my place is too soothing or it's raining. No, it will be said like the weather of my place will be. Okay, are you getting this one? No. So let's clear these doubts. What is the difference between weather, the word, and the word climate? Okay, let's start. So you can see here on your screen that one portion is written here with weather, the whole characteristics, features of weather, and here we are going to discuss about the climate. So exactly you will see the difference between these two words. When we are talking about weather, especially, just look at this one, atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. It means when we are talking about weather word, means we are just concentrating on a particular place on a small scale. Okay, means a town, a city, a village. Okay, particular means not a large area. We are not going to cover a country. If we are talking about a country, that will not refer to weather. It will be for the climate. What is the climate of this country? We are never talking like this. What is the weather of the country? Never ever. Okay. What is the weather of your city? What is the weather of your village? Okay. But when we are talking about a country, a large area, then what is the climate of this country? What are the climatic zone of particular region? Means we are talking about large area. Fine. Weather means particular place and particular time, as weatheric phenomena is going to be changed. In the morning, the weather is too cool. It's a cloudy, it's a rainy day. But at afternoon, in afternoon, it is going to be totally changed. In 2 hours or 4 hours, it's going to be changed. The weather will not be same as it was there in the morning. Are you getting? That means a small area will be there, which will be covered under weather, and a particular time will be mentioned for weather. But when we are talking about climate, means a large area, and the weatheric conditions, means elements of weather or climate will be on for a long period, means it will be observed It will be observed all the things, whether temperature, precipitation, humidity, all these things will be observed for a long time. Then it will be decided and noted down or recorded for that one particular region, means a large area for observation of a long period. Then it will be mentioned for the particular country is the climate of particular country will be like this. Okay, the climate of a particular region or continent will be like this. After being observed a long duration, means 20 years, 25 years. Are you getting? And here when we are talking about weather, it will be a short time period. The period will be short time, means 2 hours, maximum 1 day. It will be changed. Okay, it will be changed after 1 day. Maximum 1 day, 2 hours, 3 hours, weather is going to be changed of any place. Means small piece, patches will be there of place. Getting the first difference, means smaller place and short time. And here where when we are talking about the climate, means large area we are going to cover, whether a country, a region or the whole continent we are taking. Okay, and for a long period, means the climatic elements or weatheric phenomena will be observed, then it will be recorded and it will be stated there that the climatic condition of particular region or a continent is like this. Okay, now it is clear, I think, the first point. Atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time and average weather conditions at a place over a long period of time. Now it's clear. Now second one, it may change within a very short time. As I have said to you that in the morning it will totally change. The sun is lighting too bright in the sky, but after time, sometime means 2 hours or in the afternoon it is quite changed. So the weather is totally changed at a particular place, at small patches. Okay, it remains unchanged over long periods of time as it will be observed and the climate of that one particular region will be remain for a long time. It will not going to be changed in 1 day, 2 day. Okay, it refers to a small area. I have said to you, yes, that a city, a town, a village. It relates to a larger area, means we are covering when we are talking about the weather of particular city. But when we are talking about climate of particular continent will be there. Whether any continent we can mention, North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, any continent or any country, India, Pakistan, okay, America, Canada. We are talking about a country. That means we are taking the climate of that particular country. We are talking about that one. If we are talking about weather, we are talking about Lucknow city, Delhi. Okay, these are the, or we can take a small village also. Okay, weather includes sunshine. These are the elements: sunshine, rain, cloud cover. How is the cloud cover? Winds, hail, snow, sleet, whatever the reason is there for the weatheric condition which is going to be changed at a particular place. Okay, ice storms, thunderstorm, blizzards, cold wave, heat wave, etc. Means these are the elements of weather. Climate includes precipitation, temperature, humidity, wind speed and phenomena like fog, frost, hailstorm over a long period. These features can be changed in a short span, but these features will be observed for a long time. Then it will be decided that particular region has a particular type of climate. Okay, so we can divide the whole country or a whole continent in particular climatic zones according to that one. Okay, and it will be, you are going to read all these climatic zones in your later on classes also. Okay, the study of weather is called meteorology. When you are talking about the meteorological department is going to tell the weatheric condition of a particular place. So as in the news you are getting the information of the weather every day, weather report is there. So in India basically when you are seeing this one, particular city is having this one condition, temperature especially and the rainfall, whether precipitation will be there or not. So it is given by meteorological department. Okay, but when we are talking about the climate of India, climatic zones of India, then it is given by the climatology. Means these are responsible to give the climatic zone of India. Are you getting? This is the daily report. We are getting it on daily basis. Meteorological department is giving the weather report daily. That means we are getting daily report about the weather conditions of various parts of India. Okay, but climatology is giving the climatic zone. It is not going to be changed every day, as we are not receiving any information about from this department. The climate is going to be changed in 1 or 2 days. No, not at all. Or after 1 month. No, it is there. This department has already given the climatic zone of India. According to that one, as it is observed from a long period, what were these are the elements. On the basis of these elements only is country is divided on these zones, climatic zones. Okay, so these information will remain for the future also. It is not going to be changed for a long period, and after some time, if there will be some changes, it will be observed, then the changes will be seen in this one map, climatic zones of India. Then you will see the changes in this map, climate zones of India. Otherwise, it will remain for future also. Fine. This is the difference between weather and climate. That means if we are talking about weather, means a short period, a short area, small area will be there. When we are talking about climate, means a large area and a long period will be there for that one particular region. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. So I am just ending here with this note, which is telling to us that climate is what we expect. That climate of India is like this only. We are expecting, but the actual scene is there. What weather is telling to us. Okay, what weather is what we get as on the daily basis. It is going to be changed. So weather is telling the daily routine, and climate is we are expecting that the climate of the particular region or country is like this, so it will be like this. We are expecting. Clear, I think so. We are going to meet in the next class with another topic. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you.